Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'll show you how can you avoid highways on Google Maps. So if that's what you want to do, follow up with me until the very end and let's jump right into it. First, quickly open your store to make sure we have the Google Maps application updated to the latest version for everything to work properly. Now quit the store and open Google Maps. First, we need to create a trip to some destination for us to avoid highways. So let's say our trip is going to be to Texas. Tap on Texas right here and then tap on directions at this button. Now tap on choose start location in the top. Let's say we are starting from home. I'm gonna tap on home and wait for a couple of seconds, and the app is gonna create a pathway or a route for my trip. And if I want to avoid highways on this trip, I just tap on the three dots in the top right corner and then I tap on options right here. And then in the options you find an option that says avoid highways. All you need to do is to turn it on, and just like that you are going to avoid highways on your trip. That is it for this video guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one that can fix your daily problems. Thank you very much for watching and see you in future videos.